So you'd mix your paint in the same way that you'd mix with water, grinding it very carefully, of course. Even although the Reusch paints are particularly well made, you still have to grind them for a good 5 minutes before you can put them into the jar. To this we'll then add our oil. I'm adding approximately twice as much clove oil as I am lavender oil, using different pipettes of course so that they don't contaminate both the containers of oil. We mix until everything is well mixed in, and then you leave it for 24 hours. Okay, now we're ready to experiment with the consistency of it. After giving it a good mix again, we're just going to test the pigment. So generally speaking, you should be able to get 4 or 5 lengths out of a dip into the pigment. As you can see here, it's working particularly well. We need to make sure that the pigment is strong and that it's consistent. Too much oil and it'll become a little bit too watery, and too little oil it'll become too thick.